to acknowledge the presence of our good friend from Wality, Mr. Muhammad Pawas. Palakpakan po natin siya. Siya po ang ating very supportive Wality Trade or Wality Trade para sa ating mga
vitamins pa. Okay? Maganda po ito sa ating skin. Ayun. Minutes for our proper program. Ayan, no? Smile natin. Smile naman dyan. Sumayaw na kayo! Ayun! Alright! Huwag kayong umikot. Siya lang iikot. Sasayaw lang. Lalo na sa mga first timer. Welcome.
Asa si Nadine?
They're enjoying.
Yeah.
Ito na sir, kay Ma'am Leia.
Okay, on behalf of the Filipino community, ang awards na as National the Filipino Community Social.
Po sa inyo lahat, kamusta po kayo?
Palapakan po natin si Ma'am Alice, ang Lady Appreciate.
Siyempre sa po ninyo yung 2 years contract ninyo, entitled po kayo sa half-month salary for
Congratulations and celebration. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Oh, I believe that I can be happy and content.
Zipline Sports Committee, come on my friend. Let's start now, keep marching. Alright! Keep going. Shake up. Shake side. Are you ready? Pump it. Just keep pumping. Yeah, that's it. Just pump. Yes, target natin ang chan. Side two. Nice. If the most out your mouth. Again. Breathe in. Inside. Okay, shake na naman natin ang shoulder. Ayun o, galing nyo din. Twist na naman tayo. Out. Breathe in. Out. Okay. Hips up! Face there! Hips out and down! Kamusta naman mga tuhod natin siya? Passes! 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, see? Open your legs wider! Last 4, 3, no! Hands together! Yeah, sitting on the air. Yeah, air squat. Still. Nose out your mouth. Breathe. Again. Breathe. Reach out. And then, 8 here to there. Lower. 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 Wala pa yan. Stop. Okay. Dalawang nagkampiran kayo. Kaya natin. Yun lang. Okay, just keep marching. Natin. Inside.